Here's the do-it-yourself or DIY tomato cages that I've been using for the determinate and cherry tomatoes. Unfortunately, particularly with the determinate tomatoes, I had the fortunate problem of having too big of harvests, and so the tomatoes weighed so much they were bending the wire on this trellis. So I'm on a mission to find a new trellis to replace this one, given that this one doesn't hold up as well under the huge harvest we've been getting. Hi, this is Tomato Tim. It's the spring of 2025, the last week in March, and I'm on a mission to find the best tomato cages for this year for my determinate and cherry tomatoes. If you want to see a video that I did about unboxing of the Forever Gardens trellis, this is the trellis that I did a separate video unboxing. So go there and I'll talk about this a little bit, but if you want more in depth and see the unboxing, please go to our video. Now, this one, I would say that we would do an unboxing of this trellis, but there is no box. I got this at the local Sloan Garden Company. It's from Cassie's Cages, and it's called Corral, the round collapsible cage. And that's one of the things that that attracted me to this is it's a 5-foot cage, which is a little shorter than I would normally like. This one's 6.5 foot tall, so I like that better. But this one's 5 feet tall. But one of the interesting things about this, I guess I can call this an unfolding, not an unboxing, because there is no box. So all you do is just take and go like that and fold it open. And so as easy as that, you don't need any kind of tools at all. This one, the Forever Gardens trellis, garden trellis, snaps together. It's made out of plastic and it snaps together. This just, all the pieces are here together and you just unfold it and then go ahead and place the cage. So to place the cage, I'm going to show, I've got over here a 10-pound bag and a 20-pound bag. And the 20-pound bag, this fits very well right into the 20-pound bag. Perfect size, in fact. Whereas the Forever Gardens trellis is a little bigger, and so it has to, two of the poles need to hang out outside of the bag to fit in there, where this fits in, all 4 of these fit in really well. Also, not only can they fit on the, will it fit on the 20-pound bag, it will also fit, if you do it very, very carefully, it looks like it'll fit with, it will fit with the 10-pound bag. So I would say, just looking at these two, the Corral collapsible, round collapsible cage from Sloat was around, each of these was around $30 each. We'll put the link in the comments so you can go there, but that's about the price for them. So I'm probably going to, for the compact determinants, I'm probably going to go with the this Corral round collapsible cage that I got from Sloat, because of it's a little smaller and fits better in the bag. This one, since it's larger, the Forever Gardens trellis, I'm going to use that, which is 6.5 feet tall. I'm going to use that for the large determinate plants as well as cherry tomatoes. So far, thumbs up on the Corral round collapsible cage from Cassie's Cages, and follow us and see how we do with holding up these massive crop of tomatoes with the new heavy-duty cages that I'm finding out about this year. One thing I'm anxious about relative to these 2 new trellises that I'm looking at is how they hold up with the hot sun and cold. This one, the Cassie's Cages large round wireless cage, this one is made out of metal, but then it's powder coated metal, so it should help retard any rust problems associated with it. I talked to one of the employees at Sloat Gardens, and they said that they have them at home, and their only complaint was that they were rusting, so they're hoping that this new powder coating takes care of that issue. The other thing is, and feel free to see my unboxing for the for this Forever Gardens trellis, but I did an unboxing video on it. And when I was unboxing it, I actually broke 3 pieces as I was pushing it together. So I did contact the company Forever Gardens. They did send me the pieces essentially right away. And so we'll give it a try and be a little bit more careful when we're snapping this together. There's no assembly required at all with this Cassie's cages, because you just unfold it. And then at the end of the season, you just fold it flat and you can store it flat as well. So I'm really anxious to get my tomatoes planted in here and start using the trellises. And I am hoping for a record crop this year once again. Hope you're having a good day. Take care. Bye.